I guess since we're talking about garter snakes, I mean, I think most people see those the most. So, in terms
Those are
of
most common.
when, would they ever bite you? And if they did, would it do anything?
Absolutely, they will bite you. They will, of course, they'll bite you.
Okay.
All wild snakes think that everything on Earth wants to kill them because everything on Earth does. This is Sandy. Sandy is not one of our natives. He's a Florida king snake, and he's a fairly hefty, chubby guy,
Right.
but he's a long meat sausage that is incapable of delivering a crippling bite. If a raccoon decides to eat this guy and he decides to bite that raccoon back, it won't do anything to the raccoon. It's pointless. Snakes don't chew their food, so they don't. They swallow their food all in one very long, slow gulp. So they don't have teeth that can, incisors and so forth, that can rip and chew up food. They just have tiny little thin needles for teeth that just hold the prey and keep the prey from backing out. Their teeth are curved inwards, so that when the mouse can't get back out of the prey. But the great thing about harmless snake bites is even when you do get bitten, it doesn't really hurt. It's like getting chewed on by Velcro. The pain that you feel when your foot falls asleep, that pins and needles feeling, that's what a harmless snake bite feels like. It's annoying, but it's not super painful. In fact, most of our smaller species can't even break human skin, but a garter snake absolutely will break human skin. Absolutely, that can hurt, but the great thing about snakes, they don't carry mammalian diseases like rabies. You just simply disinfect, and it's entirely inconsequential. There has never been a medically significant bite from any of our native species in the history of history. So I think we're in a safe bet.
So what would you get from a large garter snake? Maybe like a pinprick? Is that what it's?
You will get a series of pinpricks. That's exactly what it is. And garter snakes will clamp on, just trying to shock you. Now, it's not a venomous snake. They can't hurt you. They can't kill you. They can't eat you. So all they can do is try and shock you into letting them go. And that's all they're trying to do, is just shock you into releasing. But the cool thing about snakes, and people often think like I'm doing some sort of weird snake whispering job to make Sandy behave like this. I'm not doing anything. Snakes are just like this. They're actually very gentle, shy little critters. And as soon as they're not afraid of us, and that's all I do, that's ultimately my ultimate job, is just teaching these snakes that humans are never going to be a threat. And once they know that humans are not a threat to them, they'll be just fine and dandy.
Hey, do you like getting free shipping? Then go to Vessies.com to buy whatever you need for your garden this year and use my coupon code GAVS24 to get free shipping as long as there's a pack of seeds in the order and there's no oversized items. Check out the description box of this video for details. You can buy everything you need from Vessies. They have seeds, fruit bushes and trees, soil amendments, pest solutions, tools, clothing, and lots of other stuff too. So yeah, if you want to help support everything I'm doing here and you like free shipping, if they sell something you need, buy it from them, use my coupon code. Happy gardening!